The topic is on event markets. Presentation by Ranjit S. MCom Previous MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Event marketing meaning event marketing describes the process of exhibit, display, or presentation to promote a product, service, cause, or organization leveraging in person engagement. Events can occur online or offline and can be participated in, hosted, or sponsored. The promotion of these activities can occur through various inbound and outbound marketing techniques. Event marketing is a marketing method which involved direct and face to face contact between the prospective buyer and seller at unusual events. These events can include trade fairs, sports events, exhibitions, and others. Event marketing goes beyond providing just information about the product or services. Events marketing focuses on target prospective consumer and aims their promotional campaign towards them. Example: credit card companies giving away free t-shirt at any football or cricket games in exchange for a credit card application. Why is event marketing important? In today's buyer empowered world, marketers need to seize every opportunity to build relationships, generate goodwill, and earn to trust of prospective buyer and customers. The modern consumer wants more than a pitch when evaluating solutions or making purchasing decisions. Events offer a unique opportunity for them to interact with brands to get a first-hand sense of company's focus, perspective, and personality. Event marketing can show brands unique personality and give a chance to mingle with customer. Event marketing makes us a part of the customer world and of community. The impact of event marketing. Events must be memorable to make an impact. Of course, the desired impact depends on your goals, but most companies want events to be a more than just a staged advertisement for their brand. When done well, events have the power to create a lasting and powerful impression of all that your company can deliver. Event must be memorable to make an impact. The desired impact depends on goals, but most companies want events to be more than just a stage advertisement for their brand. Events has to power to create a lasting and powerful impression of all that company can deliver. Futures of event marketing. Wide range of events. Events marketing encompasses a wide range of events types. First one, mega events and local events, trade shows, public city stunts, exhibition, themed and create events, corporate entertainment, award ceremonies. Goal oriented. If the event and advertising objects are not achieved through the event, then no matter how much people enjoyed the event or how much popularity the event got, it is a complete failure on a commercial level. An organization has set of basic goals, which are the basic reason for its existence. This should be simple and clearly stated. Effective promotion and communication. It is important to get the message across to the target audience, and therefore enough research about the profile of the attendees is important to be able to communicate effectively about the product. Promotion of the product and services include activities that communicate availability, future merits, etc. The product to target the customer. Proper evaluation. Event evaluation is necessary to make the team more efficient and effective the next time it organizes an event. Once specific plan has been established for the accomplishment of an event evaluation goal. Feedback from clients. One good way of getting feedback is through a feedback form. To get feedback from the target audience guests, make the feedback from a part of gift voucher. Next, location. The most ideal location in any exhibition areas are found at the entryway to the event and near the pathway to the food station and restrooms. The location chosen for the events is perhaps the most important aspects. Four reasons to use event marketing. First one, branding and awareness. A key reason for a business to participate in an event is to establish and build its brand. Event marketing allows your company to cultivate and express its identity firsthand. Branding is a very important decision or for making and help in creating product differentiation. Lead generation. Another important reason business choose to participate in an event is to generate leads. The right events allows your company to interact with a group of prospects that already have an interest in who you are and what you do. Lead generation describes marketing process simulating and capturing interest in a product of service for the purpose of developing customer engagement and upsell. The challenges in to gain the attention of your customers aim to distractions of daily work. At events, you enjoy the chance to upsell customers by introducing them to products and services that they may not know about or may not realize could address their needs. Event management relates to developing customer support services such as after sales services, handling customer complaints and adjustments. Education. Most people attend events to network and be educated. Both are powerful draws in their own ways. No matter what type of event you are at, it is critical to impart knowledge that the audience will value and that sets your company apart. Education, it is a critical to impart knowledge that the audience will value. Thank you.